Have you ever made one of those cute zipper bags, but it turned out smaller or bigger than you expected? Or maybe you wanted to make a bag for your hair straightener or other item, but it had no idea what size it should be? In this tutorial, I'll show you a super simple formula to calculate the perfect size for your own makeup or travel bag and how to cut your fabric exactly right. With this method, you can make several bag sizes from just one piece of fabric or even design your own custom sizes if you're running a small business or an online shop. So make sure to watch till the end because I show you a real example with numbers to make everything clear. And if this video helps you, don't forget to save it for later and like and subscribe. First, you need to know that this bag has 3 main measurements. This part here is the length, this one is the depth, and this side is the height. To calculate the top part of the fabric where the zipper will be attached, first we take the full length and we add half of the height on both sides. And finally, we add 1 centimeter for the seam allowance. For the other sides of the fabric, we start with 1 centimeter for the seam. Then, half of the depth. Then, height. Then, depth. Another height. Another half of the depth, and at the end of again 1 centimeter for the seam. Once you've written down all these measurements, add them together for each side, and that will give you the total fabric size you need to cut.